Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by TEMU, and as you can see we're inside the home today and we're going to be doing another TEMU review. So out of the bag, let's open it and see what we have. Here, this is a handheld pump sprayer and it is $4.29 at TEMU. So I will probably be using this to spray my plants on. It holds 1,500 milliliters of water and fill it up, pump down, puts pressure, and you're able to spray wherever it is you need to spray at. And the second thing that I got were climbing trellises. These were $196, and these will be used to support my tomatoes, my squash, and my cucumbers. This is another plant support. And again, I can use it for my tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, and this was 79 cents. Next, we have some multi-purpose shears, or cooking shears, and I like to barbecue, so these will come in handy. These, if I can get them out of the bag, were 49 cents. And I like the color, black and red, and I like the fact that it has a sheath to sit securely on them. And here we have a oven liner, and this was 79 cents. So you can take it and place it on the bottom of your oven so that you don't get spills, or if in the case that you do get spills, it lands on this as opposed to the inside of your oven. Makes for cleanup very easily. Okay, we have a banana bag and we have a lettuce bag. Both were 69 cents. And as you can imagine, you can take your bananas and place them in here. And it has lining on the inside so that it will keep them dry. And a drawstring. Lettuce, pretty much the same thing. Drawstring, and it has lining on the inside as well. Although the season has passed me, this is a potato grow bag. You can grow your potatoes, put your soil in, grow your potatoes, and when they're ready to be harvested, lift the Velcro here, pull them up, pull it up, and pull your potatoes out. So, as I said, the season for me has passed, but I will be using this next year. I'm sorry, this was 239, not 249. And next up is a pair of multi-purpose outdoor hanging straps. These were 329. And pretty sturdy. Can make use of it outside. I like the fact that instead of the clip just being there, you could actually screw it closed. Okay. This is some Velcro tape that I can use to tie up my plants in lieu of maybe twine or something along those lines. I've used something similar to this before. Here we have some double-sided tape. This was 49 cents, and this is 59 cents for the double-sided tape. So I hope you enjoy my review of the products that I got from TEMU. All of them will be very useful to me, especially the ones that will be in the garden or are for the garden outside. I can use these almost immediately. Only exception is the potato grow bag. So if you're interested in any of the products that I put on display here, you can, I'll go ahead and put a code and my their product line in the comment section of the video, and also in the description portion of the video. You can click on it and get yourself these and also get a discount at the same time. So I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and stuff by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If this is your first time here to my channel, I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you for coming back. You guys really, really keep the channel going, and it's grown more than I can ever imagine. So I want to thank you for that. Lastly, and most importantly, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.